Yo guys, what's up? Today I'm finally getting out of this place I call a room because I'm going canoeing with my friend Margarita and Ariana. You haven't seen them before, but they'll be in this video today. I'll record a little bit while I'm there. Well, I'm sorry if my hair's whacked. It wasn't cooperating today. Anyway, yeah, I'll check in once we're there. Alright, bye. Here with Margarita. Say hi to all the YouTube people.
Hello, YouTube.
We're just waiting on Ariana to get here so we can go to the boat rental place, and then we're gonna get a canoe.
Yeah. 2:30.
We found Ariana and her friend.
Take your fingers off the.
We're gonna go to the canoeing place now. And yeah. Yeah. So don't die, Margarita.
I'm trying not to. I don't have cash on me.
The canoe place was cash only. So now we're on an ATM run because none of us had any cash and we didn't know it was cash only. Well, it was $15 an hour.
$10.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Say hi, Margarita. Okay, never mind. Nice out here. We ran into the tree or something.
You let me.
I'm sorry, I was trying to paddle fast so we wouldn't hit the tree. We just had a race. Oh, something flew in my mouth.
You did not cheat.
We just had a race and me and Margarita obviously won. Feel about this, Margarita?
I gained some muscle. It was awesome.
The losers, how do you guys feel?
I don't want to die for you.
We just finished kayaking. It was fun. What did you think, Margarita?
I think it was fun. There's a lot of mosquitoes though. I don't like mosquitoes.
Same. It's pretty humid and hot. I mean, it's not that hot, but it's really humid, so it makes it gross. I feel like I can't sweat in humidity because it doesn't do me any good. But I mean, other than that, it was pretty good. I feel like I got a workout on my arms though. They'll probably be sore tomorrow. But yeah,